to see how to reuse an operative clock. This will be a very useful video. Please watch this and you share to all. This is a inoperable clock. This is not working. Now let us see what we can do with this clock. We can remove the screws one by one. After removing all the screws, we can separate the front panel. You can see here the glass and the front cover is separated. Now we have to separate this hour, minute and second hand. So we can remove the back part. This is the main part of the clock. Remove the second, minute and hour. Now you can remove this part. You can also reuse this part. If any one of your older clocks which is not working, you can remove this part. Now I am cleaning this entire clock with the cleaner. After cleaning the clock, I am going to stick a sticker in the middle of the clock. You can even stick photos, your family photos or group photos inside this clock. Now I am cleaning the glass part. After cleaning the glass part, you can keep the glass over that clock. Now you can cover the clock and you screw the parts very quickly. So now you have reused an inoperable clock as a photo stand. You can see it can be kept anywhere. You can also put the back part so that if you want to mount this on a wall, the same can be mounted using a nail. This can be reused in this manner also. The hour, minute, seconds hand is fitted to this main part of the clock. You can connect that with the battery and you can check whether it is working. So if it is working, you can reuse this.